unbelievable extreme weather has swept across northern Netherlands in just a few hours, bringing chaos from Groningen to Friesland. Hail, strong winds, lightning strikes, and intense rainfall rapidly formed into a moving line of severe thunderstorms crossing the country. Around Groningen, including Wildervank and Winschoten, the sky turned dark as dramatic shelf clouds appeared. Shortly after, a dust storm in Mussel Canal was followed by sudden heavy rain and continuous lightning. Similar conditions were reported in Emmer Compascuum and Klazienaveen, where the sky turned nearly black before torrential rain began.
Rustig. Relax.
Along the A6 motorway toward Emmeloord, thunderstorms triggered large hail and wind gusts reaching up to 80 kilometers per hour. In Heerenveen, the weather briefly seemed calm, before a dark storm cloud suddenly approached, forcing people to quickly bring their belongings indoors. In Steenwijk and Wolvega, reports of damage began to emerge as the storm intensified while moving eastward.
Dit is niet normaal, joh. Mijn god.
Meanwhile, in Noord-Holland, the first active thunderstorms erupted, causing local flooding and water accumulation. Tubbergen was hit by heavy rain, Oosterwolde experienced strong lightning activity, and Boinen saw fast-moving rain clouds, even affecting a 155-year celebration tent in Meerwijk. The weather changed dramatically within minutes across multiple locations. Authorities and meteorologists continue to monitor the unstable conditions as the storm line moves further east. Residents are advised to stay alert, secure outdoor items, and avoid unnecessary travel as severe weather risks remain possible through the evening. Further updates are expected as the situation develops overnight.